Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out guys. Are you getting tired of these crummy videos out there that's showing you how to brighten up your headlights or clean them up with the toothpaste, the insect repellent, the kits, the sanding, all this mess? Are you tired of that? Well, this is a 100% guaranteed method of clearing up those headlights. Today on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, look at that headlight. All messed up. Now by the time we finish with this video, this is going to look like brand new. That's right. It is going to cost you about the same amount as much as those little kits with the sanding and all that. The same amount. Now check this out. Let's cut this headlight on and take a look at this. I can't even tell whether I got the headlight on. Jesus Christ. Nah, just kidding. Check that out. Look how dim that is. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do, the first thing that's upon you is to get this headlight out. Now, this method, what I'm about to show you, only works on the 2005, maybe 2003 to 2006 Chevy Impala. All the other vehicles, I don't know. But it's going to work on this one. Alright, the first thing we do is cut the headlights off and we're going to remove this headlight. It is very crucial that we remove this headlight. This method does not work if we don't remove this headlight. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, the first thing we need to do is get these crummy headlights out of here. Now, to get these headlights out of here, you're going to look on the side over here. There's going to be a little latch. Just pop that latch up. And, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry guys, wait a minute. That's one. We gotta move something. Let's go over here to the second one. Pop this up. And then, what we're going to have to do is get these... Pop this little clip out right here. Why is this one like this? I have no idea. Pop this one out. Pick it up. You're going to see another one right there. Pick that up. If it comes off, that's okay. Go on the other side. Now yours might have clips like this right here. And that's all you have to do is take that center piece out. Dang it. Let me get a screwdriver and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got us a flat screwdriver. Yeah boy. Let's get that screwdriver in there. You want to pry that centerpiece out, just like that. That's how it's popped. I don't know why the other side got that. I have no idea. Then once you pop that out, pick this side up, and there it is, the other latch. So, let's pick that latch up. And just like I said, if they come off, that's good. Set that to the side. Do not lose it. Your headlights are going to, dang it, pop right out. Once your headlights pop out, just like that, there's going to be a plug on them right there. And there's a little latch right here. Just pick that latch up just a little bit. Don't pick it up a lot. You're going to break it off. So pick it up just a little bit and unplug it. All right, let's get the other one out and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our headlights here. All right, we are going to do this so good that these things are going to come out like brand new. They're going to come out, we're going to do this just like this. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, boy. Let's go get these things in the car. We'll be right back. All right, guys. Look at that. Just like magic. The first thing we're going to do is carefully plug our plug back in. Yeah, boy. All right. Let's get this thing in there. Okay. Both latches are the same. So, what we're going to do, now hooking these up, it's going to face out like that, and what it's going to do is go over those tabs, over the top tab. You got that little slot opening right there. Just going to go over that top tab, and then we're going to push it down to lock it into place. All right? So, get this headlight in here. Push that over. sure them lights are all the way in. It won't work. And push it down. All right, the same thing with the other one. Go this way, push it. You can see over there. Oh, you can see better that way? Thanks. All right, same thing. Push that tab over like that and push it down. Let's get the other one in and check these headlights out. We'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get our little clips back into place. As again, this one, I don't know why this one here. This one ain't supposed to be here. Yours is gonna look like this. First, you want to put the first part in, and then the second part will just push right into place, just like that. All right, let's cut these headlights on. Oh my goodness! Look at those lights! Oh, let me see. The other side. Oh, guys, look at that! And this, guys, this is gonna last. This is just like OEM. This is like brand new. Check that out. Now, you wanna know the secret of how I did it? We'll be right back. All right, guys. Here's the kit you're gonna get. This kit will do your headlights. First thing you do is go to rockauto.com. Yeah, buddy, Rock Auto. This is what you get in the kit. Brand new lights, guys. That's the best way of doing it. Brand new lights. Here's the crummy other ones, and if you turn around, they are the new ones. Guys, that's the best way of doing it. Forget all them crummy kits out there with this scraping and all that. Forget that, guys. These headlights is just as much as getting one of those expensive kits, and then you got to spend about an hour out there, and it's going to last you about 3 or 4 days. This is the best way of doing it. Yeah, buddy, from Astro Auto Repairs. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so that's how you replace the headlights on a 2005 Chevy Impala, and I do believe these headlights go from a 2001 to 2005, something like that. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astroautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.